You can set a schedule for the class when you set up the class, or by swiping the class tile to the right and tapping the schedule button. Enter the start and end times for the schedule. Then enter the recurrence pattern for the class, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. If it's a daily recurrence, let us know if it's every day, every other day, etc. If it's a weekly occurrence, enter the appropriate information. Do the same if it is a monthly recurrence. Tap the check to save the schedule. If at any time you don't want to use the schedule, tap the switch here to shut it off.